you've had hair since you were 2.
Yeah, I've kind of had facial hair since I was in like 6th grade, guys. Sorry.
Yeah.
That seems to make sense to me.
I agree. They've multiplied to 2. Big thank you from Bill's Cycle Salvage. If you guys are ever in the White City area and you need some parts, take a look at him, at his stuff. He's got a wide selection of parts, and there's his phone number and his address right there. You guys check him out. Big help. Got the bike for a good deal. Stoked to get this thing with some brakes on it. Alright, well, the Yamaha from the junkyard has donated its organs and everything we needed. Now, we're not going to scrap it. I'm going to put it in the backyard and probably do something with it later on. Another motor swap, make it stupid fast, because now we got 2 sets, we got 2 of everything. But for now, it's going to stay like this, because I'm going to take the pieces to the race with us, so if we have any kind of failure, tire failure or whatever, we can swap them out, put those tires on, and get back in the race. So, for a later date, my friend. First actual test outside of our house on the road. We're leaning back. We're up on Savage Creek with the Skittle helmet because I couldn't find my other one, and we're just gonna romp on this thing, see what happens.
When he means some real world conditions, we mean a lot more real world than an asphalt road.
Yeah.
So.
And this is probably way more aggressive than we're ever going to see out there.
Probably.
Better warm up. It's still cold.
Don't crash it before I get to ride it.
Huh?
So don't crash it before I get to ride it.
I won't. Try not to. Probably should have let you ride it first. Honestly.
Restraint. We gotta still race it.
Alright. With the Skittle helmet.
Oh yeah.
About to send it because he weighs about 50 pounds lighter than I do, maybe 100. Featherweight.
Gotta fix that raggedy pant leg so I don't get up on that chain.
Yeah, I kind of caught it with mine.
I almost got mine yesterday. So.
She is not a hill killer. That's why I'm turning it in more. Huh? No, it should be going in. Better?
That's much better.
Okay.
I'm like going down here and then my foot got caught underneath it and I pulled down the hill.
Oh, really? What do you think, Sierra?
I think you guys are gonna have a lot of fun.
Yo. Off into the great blue yonder.
You crash it?
No. Got close. I was running her hard.
How do you feel on the open road, though?
I had her tapped out for.
Feels so good, huh?
Oh yeah, the thing is awesome. Grips and rips. I took it all the way down to the next, over this hill, over to the next landing.
Oh, you went all the way to the next one? I stopped before it.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, it's great.
It's fun. It just, I mean, I wish the front end was a little bit stiffer, or the rear end was a little soft. Actually, more of the front end.
Front end was stiffer, it'd be better.
Yeah. And I think it's gotten softer since we've been beating on it.
It's alright.
Working it in, though. Yeah. Feel of it.
Yeah, this thing's Alright, good afternoon, guys. It is 2 days before the race, but we're leaving tomorrow morning. Mini bike, pretty much done. We named it, which I already took it for a ride and wore it off. Named it Jenny, because my dad and me are named Forrest. Zach, on the other hand, he's just going to be Lieutenant Dan, I guess. So, I got that all ready. Got to load up some tools, load up some extra parts, generator, just the essentials. And we're going to probably do that tonight and tomorrow, because Zach's going to bring us some more stuff. And, but first off, I got to fix the truck itself, because when we went and tested, what was it, yesterday, I believe, went up and tested the mini bike going up the mountain, the exhaust got hot and it fell off. So, going to try and fix it as best as I can. It was just kind of put together with V-clamps, just the regular, just whatever somebody bought a cheap exhaust kit and threw it on there, and now I have to fix it, so fun. So stick with me, guys. Pretty soon here, it's gonna be race day. We're gonna have a lot of fun.